Alright, so welcome to Pbteck. I'm Prince, and in this particular video I'm going to take you through the right things that you need to do, or you need to know about CANALSAT and how you can actually get a stable signal if you are to track for CANALSAT. Alright, so basically CANALSAT is on the west 22 degrees. Okay, west 22 degrees. So you can use 50, 60, 70, from 50 and then above, any satellite dish ranging from there, you can use it to track. So with the position, you can see it's opposite the multi-TV signal. So multi-TV faces like this, and then CANALSAT will be facing here, 22 degrees. Okay, so with the TVs that you can use to track, we have different TVs that you can use, but the main one that you can use to track will be 11671, and then vertical 30,000, 30K, and then we have 12530 vertical 30,000. So it will be on your screen right there. But the first one has to be the main one that you can use it to track it very easily. That is the 11671 vertical 30K, and we're good to go. And since it's a paid TV, make sure that you get enough of the signal, more than 60%, in order for you to get all the channels working. But if you want to watch some FTA channels on it, you also have FTA channels on it, but it's not enough. But maybe you are using an FTA decoder and you want to enjoy some channels over there, unless you hack it, but it's illegal to hack it. All right, and since it's an FTA, it's a paid TV channels, they also have options of telecasting matches, live sports matches. So if maybe you are using a DSTV and you want a substitute, you want a different option, you can actually switch. I'm not telling you to switch, but that's another option over there. But know that 70% of their channels are in French. Most of their channels are in French, so know that if you are switching over there, you have Eurosports, they have Eurosports, and they have their own set of sports channels, that are the canal sports channels over there, that you can actually enjoy yourself on the canal platform. Alright, so if you find yourself to be new here, all you got to do is to subscribe and hit the bell icon. You lose nothing by subscribing. Thanks for watching. Let's stop.